Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken to send Bitcoin to another wallet. First, log into your Kraken account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Funding tab in the main navigation menu. Click on Funding to access your deposit and withdrawal options. From there, you will see a list of cryptocurrencies. Select Bitcoin or BTC to proceed with your transfer. This ensures you are working with the correct asset for your transaction. After selecting Bitcoin, you will see options for deposit and withdrawal. Choose the withdraw option to initiate sending your Bitcoin. If you haven't sent to this wallet before, you'll need to add a new withdrawal address. Click on Add New Withdrawal Address and prepare to enter the recipient's wallet details. It is crucial to double-check this address for accuracy to prevent any loss of funds. Now, paste or type the recipient's Bitcoin wallet address into the designated field. Ensure it is precisely correct. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send. You can choose to send a specific amount or select Max to send all available Bitcoin. Before proceeding, take a moment to review all the transaction details, including the address and the amount. This step is vital for a successful and secure transfer. Finally, you will be prompted to confirm the withdrawal using your two-factor authentication code. Enter the code from your Authenticator app to authorize the transaction. Once confirmed, Kraken will begin processing your Bitcoin transfer to the external wallet. Transaction times can vary, but you can usually track its status within your Kraken account. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.